I'm going to show you how to chat in a Google Meet when you are on your phone. If you need to chat and you're in a Google Meet and on your phone, you are going to go to the three dots down here in the corner. Click on the three dots. Then a box will come up and you will then click on In-Call Messages. In-Call Messages. Click on In-Call Messages. Then you will get your chat box and you can start typing. You type and then you're going to send. Your teacher will see your chat messages. The other students will see your chat messages. So you type and send. Type and send. When you are done, you can then go up to the top in the corner and click on this X, and you will go back to your meeting. So again, you click on the X at the top, and you will go back to your meeting and out of the chat.